Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add subpages or navigation dropdowns in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then go to the websites page, and next to the website built using Hostinger website builder that you want to add a drop-down menu on, click on this edit website button. You will arrive in this website builder or editor. Now to create a drop-down menu, it's simple. Just click on pages. You will see a list of the available or the navigation menu that you see here. This one is organized here. And let's say that I want to create or I want to place this about page below sustainability. So drag the about page like this and place it below sustainability, but a little bit to the right. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Place it below sustainability, but a little bit to the right, like this. And as you see, automatically the navigation menu updates. And to publish this new drop-down menu, don't forget to update your website from this button. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And now the about page is below sustainability. And this is how to add subpages or create drop-down menus in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.